Hey gamers, Minus 10 here. So you're considering overclocking your gaming rig, but you don't know where to start. Well, you've come to the right video, as both AMD and Intel have easy ways to quickly, and usually safely, to overclock your rig. But why do it in the first place? Well, from the beginning of time, humans have always yearned to go faster. It doesn't matter if it's boats, cars, airplanes, or PCs. Humans have an innate characteristic to always push our tools and gear faster and harder. For this video, we'll focus on AMD, but Intel has the same features. Overclocking can be a very deep and complex topic if you want to go down the rabbit hole of tinkering with every aspect of your motherboard. However, if you want to use some very simple tools to get a nice bump in your FPS games, AMD EXPO and PBO are two great ways to quickly overclock your memory and CPU, gain some performance, and maintain a reasonable level of system stability. Now, before we begin, overclocking your PC is a decision you make on your own, and it does come at your own risk. Please make sure to check your motherboard, memory, and CPU service level agreements, as overclocking your PC components often nullifies their warranties. In addition, by pushing your components to perform at higher levels, you'll also shorten their useful lives, and you could brick your components. So what is AMD EXPO and PBO? Well, EXPO stands for Extended Profiles for Overclocking, and is very similar to Intel's XMP. PBO stands for Precision Boost Overdrive. EXPO is used to overclock your memory modules and will often overclock your memory modules to their stated speeds. Most gamers don't realize that when they install their DDR memory, the speeds are much lower than what is stated on your memory modules. EXPO will bring your memory sticks to their stated speeds by overclocking them. Precision Boost Overdrive, or PBO, is a quick and easy way to overclock your CPU based upon parameters set by your motherboard manufacturer. On Intel CPUs, it's called Turbo Boost technology. PBO will make a few changes to your CPU to squeeze out extra performance juice with the click of a couple buttons. To enable EXPO and PBO on your AMD motherboard, reboot your PC and tap the Delete or F2 key until you enter your BIOS screen. Now, when I reboot my computer, I just always hit the Delete key until I drop into my BIOS. I use an Asus ROG Crosshair X670E Hero, but if your motherboard is a different brand, your screen should be quite similar. Now, once you drop into your BIOS, if you do start on the simple mode, just click F7 to enter the advanced mode. First, we'll enable EXPO. From the advanced BIOS menu, click your right arrow to the extreme tweaker. The EXPO option should be near the top, and mine is located under AI Overclock Tuner. Your motherboard should show auto, so click enter and select EXPO I or EXPO II. So what's the difference between EXPO I versus EXPO II? Now, I am not an expert on overclocking, but my basic understanding is EXPO I enables the memory module's default memory timings, where EXPO II loads the overclock profiles optimized by your motherboard manufacturer. Try both EXPO versions and see which one is more stable for your rig. Also, on my Asus motherboard, there are explanations at the bottom of the screen that give you a little bit more information. PBO is also under the extreme tweaker options, so click the down arrow until you see Precision Boost Overdrive. Click enter and then scroll down again to Precision Boost Overdrive. This should also be set to auto. Hit the enter key and scroll down to enable. Again, click the enter key. To save your BIOS changes, click the right arrow over to the exit tab. Then click the down arrow to save changes and reset, and click OK. This will save your BIOS changes and overclock your PC. And that's it. AMD EXPO and Precision Boost Overdrive are two quick and simple ways to overclock your gaming rig's memory and CPU. Now, as I stated at the beginning, both overclocking methods help squeeze out the additional performance from your memory and CPU, but choosing to do so comes at your own risk. Overclocking will ultimately shorten the lifespans of your PC components and can bring some system instability, but EXPO and PBO are pretty dialed in by your motherboard's manufacturer, so you shouldn't have too many issues. In the event EXPO or PBO don't work for you, turning both off is an easy change from your BIOS settings. If you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate a like on the video, and if you'd like to follow me as a content creator, go ahead and click that subscription button down below. Thanks for watching.